Denes Real in boundaries ng Cainta and Marikina near J. Fernando Roads or Avenue. You see, elevated ang property. Ang site mismo elevated about 1.2 from the road. Ito ang current update sa ngayon. Ongoing construction. Ayan ang 3-story. Ito ang mismo loob ng site. Dito itatayo ang 3 to 4 story building sa mga kapaligiran na ito. By December next year, full blast ito kasi starting January pwede nang mag-move in anytime before end of the year next year. At ang iba dito to be finished by end of the year, some of the units, katulad nitong unit na to na ginagawa ngayon.